Goeiemôre julle inwoners. Ons kuier in Hopefield hier by die Commercial Hotel en ons gesels vandag met Jim by Browns Bristow. Kom ek vertel julle gou, wat is die skok rondom hierdie hele restaurantbedryf waarin ons vandag gesels. Jim was eers 'n elektriesien en nou is hy 'n chef en hy doen uitstekend hier in Hopefield. Goeiemôre Jim.
Môre.
Baie dankie vir die tyd wat jy aan ons afgestaan het en dat jy bietjie met ons gesels oor hierdie restaurant van jou.
Absolute pleasure.
Hoe het dit gekom dat jy van elektries na die kombuis geskuif het?
Well, as I said to you earlier on, I have a passion for food. I have a passion for cooking. Everybody always says, you should do this. So Jacques put out this advert on Facebook looking for a restaurant here. And instead of having this concept of driving to Cape Town every day, my wife was like, well, why don't you just try it? And here we are.
Ja. Wanneer het jy oopgemaak?
1 Maart.
So ons is nog baie net hier so in die dorp. En hoe is die opkoms?
There's been a lot of positive feedback. Let's put it that way. I think I've had 2 complaints about things, overdone steak maybe, but that's about it.
Ja.
Everything else is the feedback's been good, positive. It's actually very nice. It's the community here, as you know, at Hopefield, they have a tendency to support everybody.
Of course, ja.
So it's great. It's been great.
So ons het 'n hele paar onderhoude gehad deur die loop van die oggend en waar ons kom is Browns Bistro op elkeen se lippe. En wat heerlik is, jy sit in hierdie restaurant en jy hoor die voeltjies buitekant. So die view wat ons het hier van buite af is pragtig.
Jacques does a really good job of keeping up the garden, so it's really nice. And obviously, being on the main road, we have the palm trees and we get to see the people.
Yeah.
And as you saw just now, we get to greet everybody,
Yeah.
which is great. And everybody knows everybody, so it's...
Dit is baie lekker om hier, dit is
is
baie
lekker.
homey.
Exactly.
Ja. Wat sou jy nou sê is in die maand wat jy nou hier is jou dis wat jy die meeste by mense kry wat hulle bestel? Wat sou jy sê is die gunsteling op hierdie stadium?
I think it's a toss-up between 2 options. A lot of people, they like the bar snack food, so the chicken strips are quite a big seller. And then people are looking to try something different, so the Trinchard has been my second best seller.
Oh, fantasties.
I mean, who doesn't like a good rump and a bit of peri-peri sauce, you know?
Ja, 'n bietjie brand in jou mond is goed so.
I have toned it down since the first one because it was a bit warm. It was more to my liking than it was to everybody else's.
Ja.
So yeah, you're going to change and accommodate as you go along. You know, my chili con carne, I've had to tone it down a bit. I like spice. I'm a big Mexican fan.
Oh ja.
So, but yeah, obviously it's not for everyone. So I'd rather just give you a bit of chili on the side you can add to it.
Jim sê vir my as ek nou net 'n damesfunksie hier wil hou in jou restaurant, mag ons die restaurant uitboek vir 'n dag?
Sure, I would have no problem with that at all. I think we actually have for October. I think the girls from the Quilt Festival they've booked us out for the day basically, for the evening, should I say.
Fantasties. Nee, ons sien baie uit. Ons gaan nou self ons middagete hier geniet en ons gaan vir julle die foto's wys want alles wat hier rondom my is baie mooi en baie rustig. En hy die hele oggend was hy besig met voorbereiding in die kombuis. Jy koop plaaslik aan.
I try and get as much as I can locally, yes. I support the co-op a lot, I support Hope Farm a lot. I've got my chili supplier, which is Ross Greens up in Hoovers. Nadia, she supplies all my chilies for me, my jalapenos and things like that. So the poppers are all local, the vegetables are all local, the onions, the potatoes. I've got John Paul that supplies my avos.
Oh yeah, I know him.
Yeah, so
everybody knows
so
him.
I do try and keep as much of it as possible local, and try and make all the ingredients work with what I can get. You know? Obviously, certain things you can't get, I have to go take a drive. My wife works in all the different towns, so if I need something from Friedenberg or
so collaboration is ook jou logo op hierdie stad.
I do like it, yes.
Yeah.
It's what brings the community together.
Yeah.
So it's and I think the town itself is, because we've grown so much in the last 4 or 5 years, and we all support each other in that sort of sense. The collaboration is great. I really do. I think it's fantastic.
Nou ja, julle, hier hoor julle dit weer eens en oral waar ons gaan in hierdie dorp, hoor ons dat daar samewerking is. Ek dink die res van Suid-Afrika moet maar hier by Hopefield kom leer hoe voel dit om hande te vat en saam te werk. Jim, ons wens jou al die voorspoed toe vir jou nuwe venture hierso van 'n electrician tot 'n chef. Dit is nou nogal 'n sprong, maar ons wens jou al die voorspoed toe. Ons hoor net mooi goed.
Well, that's good. As long as the word out there is good words, it's fine.
Ja.
Because they say there's no such thing as bad advertising.
Ja. Wel, die mense praat regtig net goed van jou kos en van die atmosfeer hierso so en wat ek sien is baie belovend. Ons gaan baie foto's neem, ons gaan vir julle al Jim se kontakbesonderhede, die adres, alles gee sodat julle ook by hom kan bespreek vir julle funksies. En wanneer jy deur Hopefield gaan, kom maak gerus 'n draai by hom, kom drink 'n koffie, kom eet ietsie. Julle is altyd welkom. Baie dankie, Jim.
Thank you.
Mooi loop.